some good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Look at me!
Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my head.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are things, oh so tame. They don't come here to help you. No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pond?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should fly.
I do not like the way that they play. His mother would sing it. Oh, what would she say?
So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame.
So deep and so cold, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all.
I will show you another good trick that I have. Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat with the hat.
I only pick up my playthings, so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
What would you do?